Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start with the news that food supplier Premier Foods has entered talks with its major retail customers over potential price increases. Premier Foods, the provider of iconic brands such as Mr. Kipling and Bisto Gravy, has been hit by the double-edged sword of weaker sterling and high commodity costs. Discussions have been taking place with retailers such as Tesco and Sainsbury's on the back of increasing cost pressures due to the referendum result. Yet the supplier has stated that on average they're considering a rise around the mid-single digit mark. Talks are hoped to be concluded by the end of this month, and Premier Foods, which has a revenue of more than £750 million per year, has stated that it is doing everything it can to limit price increases. The talks come as retailers are bracing themselves for a consumer spending slowdown over the next 12 months, despite the sector ending 2016 in a relatively healthy position. In other news, optimism within the UK tech sector has received a boost since the referendum result. The Tech City UK survey of more than 2,000 people working within the sector, including founders and chief execs, revealed that 49% of those surveyed were now positive about the outlook for the industry within the UK, compared to just 8% after the referendum result. Since the initial shock of the referendum, multiple mega deals have boosted the industry status, including SoftBank's multi-billion-pound deal for UK chip maker ARM and Skyscanner being acquired for £1.4 billion. In car manufacturing news, BMW has committed to plans to build a new $1 billion plant in Mexico, despite recent statements by Donald Trump putting off a number of different manufacturers. BMW marketing director Ian Robertson has stated that the German car giant is absolutely committed to its plant in Mexico that will produce models of the 3 Series sedan on the global scale and not just for the US from 2019 onwards. In corporate news, Big Yellow Group reported like-for-like revenues are up 6% to £80.7 million. Valeant Pharmaceuticals will sell prostate cancer drug subsidiary Dendrian to China's Sandpower Group for $819.9 million. William Hill has reported that trading took a substantial hit in the last month of 2016 with a poor run of football and horse racing results, contributing to annual profits coming in at £20 million lower than expected. In data, 7:45 saw French industrial production figures released. 1 o'clock is Russian inflation rate announced, and at 3 o'clock, US JOLT's job openings are revealed. Thank you for listening.